Yeah. Wow. So this is the entrance.
Yeah, so that's the entrance.
254.
254, yeah.
Wow.
So very easy, like very simple. You just walk straight to Lambs on Richmond, then you just go that way. It's just right there. I reckon, how long do you reckon that'll take you? Like 20 minutes? 30 minutes to walk?
For this
Yeah.
street? Maybe.
Yeah, it's pretty close, yeah. Like it's very close.
Yeah. Perfect.
Have you seen the city yet?
Actually, this afternoon. Like the view from the upper part of that park.
We'll go for a quick drive through the city, so you can see it. It's nice at night. You can see it all lit up. It's a good city, but it's not like it doesn't stay awake always. It's not like one of those cities that sleeps. It does sleep. It's like little food I was talking about, like on the street.
You also perform in a bar?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Not that one, but yeah, I've performed in Melbourne. And always just kind of like that. Then, yeah, when I was in high school, I used to just like freestyle rap. So people like beatbox in the playground. And I would just kind of rap over like the beatbox. And then, yeah, I don't know, just kind of feel like try it.
sign is like the same. It's so Chinatown in the Philippines.
Yeah.
But then here, it's like more of modernized thing.
Yep.
Like, but in the Philippines, like an old Chinatown.
Yeah, that would be cool.
That's the difference that I noticed. So, during Chinese New Year, so this place is
goes
too
off.
loud.
Goes off, yeah.
Right.
We have I think we have a festival as well. For Chinese New Year. Do you know what year it is?
No.
No, I don't know either. I think I'm year of the rat.
Oh yeah,
Pig.
I think so.
Yeah, 95.
Yeah.
Yep. Lots of people drinking. Having a good time. There's lots of hidden bars, like lots of little alleyways with like hidden bars and stuff. It's pretty cool.
So that's also the difference between the Chinatown here. In the Philippines, it's more of an eating place, no pubs within the Chinatown. Yeah. The tram is 24 hours.
Yes. Yes, I think so. I think it is. These are bougie shops. These are expensive shops. So yeah, those stripes on the road, that means that you have to let pedestrians cross.
So no need to wait for a signal from the crossing person.
Not if there's those stripes. If there's those stripes, then it's called pedestrian crossing, and you can just cross. Obviously, look, it's the case. Some people don't care, but it's not like in like parts of Asia where it's like you just got to dodge the cars.
Correct.
Yeah. But I just jaywalk. I don't really care. But like, yeah, lots of people.
I'm not allowed to do that.
No. I mean, you're not going to get in trouble. It's only if there's a policeman watching you, then you'll get in trouble.
There's no jaywalking.
Yeah, true.
Spicy your food,
I
right?
love spicy. Oh, that's so cool that you watch my thing.
Yeah.
PCK, isn't it?
Yeah. Is it like in Italy or?
Yeah, it's got that kind of vibe to it. I don't actually know who I'll have a look from the other side. It's got this big dome. Pretty cool. It's also a very nice church up here.
What's that bird?
That's a seagull. They're pests. They're always at the beach. And they, like, if you get fish and chips at the beach, and you throw a chip, then like hundreds of them
perfect morning.
Let's see there's a sea life.
Yeah.
That's the aquarium. You can see like cool like underwater fish and stuff there. But yeah, it's not like super busy